So now I am going to discuss about the polynomial equation. Before discussing the polynomial equation, we must know the polynomial expression. So what is the polynomial expression and what are the terms are there in that expression? So that is the most important. So the polynomial expression is nothing but an expression. It is in the form of f of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on plus an x power 0. So this is the form. This form is nothing but represent the polynomial expression. Okay. So what is polynomial equation? What is polynomial equation? Polynomial equation is nothing but the expression, polynomial expression becomes 0, equal to 0. Means expression is nothing but f of x. F of x is equal to 0. This is nothing but the polynomial equation. So now in place of f of x, write down this expression. So a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 up to so on plus an x power 0 is equal to 0. This equation equal to 0 is there. So this equation represents the polynomial equation. Polynomial equation of the degree n, means n represent the highest degree of that equation, of the polynomial equation. Highest degree means the coefficient of this x power n is there na, a naught is must not equal to 0, then only the n is the highest degree of that polynomial equation. And also a naught, a1 and a2 up to so on an. So these are the coefficients of x now. Coefficient of x, these a0, a1, a2 up to so on are always the real numbers. So any real number. Okay. And here x is a variable. So here only one variable is there, that is the x is the variable. And coming to n, so this is the most important. N is always belongs to whole number set. Whole numbers set only. Whole numbers is nothing but already we know all the natural numbers and including 0. So 0 comma natural numbers are starting from 1 to so on up to so on till infinite. This is nothing but whole number set. So n is always belongs to whole number set only. If in case they are given in place of n fraction or any this type, these are the rational numbers. So in case they are given this type of numbers in place of x, in place of n, so that equation is not a polynomial equation. Take some examples here. So first one, 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Check it. So write down some examples first. So check it. What are the polynomial equations and what are the non-polynomial equations? So coming to first one. So here I am writing 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the degree of x? So 1 is the degree of x. So 1 is a whole number. So this is the polynomial equation of degree 1. Okay, coming to next example. So 3x whole power 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Coming to first term, here x power 1 by 2 is there. So 1 by 2 is not belongs to whole number set. So it is not a polynomial equation. Okay, coming to third question. Here 4x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is there. So coming to first term, the power, x power is 2. So it belongs to whole number only. And next term, power is 1. It is also belongs to whole number set. So and x and the coefficients of x is belongs to real numbers only. So this is the polynomial equation of degree 2 here. Coming to fourth example. So here 5x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is not a whole number, and 1 by 2 is root 2 is not a whole number, and 1 by 2 is also not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial equation. This is the way to check the given equation is either polynomial equation or not. Polynomial equation. So polynomial equation is nothing but, we know one thing, f of x equal to 0. Already we know polynomial expression and polynomial equation. So polynomial equation is nothing but f of x equal to 0. And how to determine the types of polynomial equation means based upon the degree. Based upon the degree. So the highest degree is 1, that is nothing but linear equation. So I am writing here, let us see. So types of polynomial equations is nothing but it must be based upon the highest degree value only. If in case the highest degree is 1, this is nothing but linear equation. Linear equation. Generally linear equation is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, and if here a must not equal to 0. So because the highest power is 1 here, x power 1 is the highest power. So highest degree is 1, that is nothing but the linear equation. So if in case highest degree is equal to 2, this is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So generally the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here also a must not equal to 0 because the highest degree, highest power here 2. So the highest degree is 2, that is nothing but quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And a must not equal to 0. If in case a is 0 means this total term is 0, but highest degree is not 2 here, only 1 is there. So if in case a is equal to 0 means this is not a quadratic equation, this is the linear equation. Understood? So that's why a must not equal to 0. And the highest degree is equal to 3, this is the cubic equation. Cubic equation. And general form of cubic equation is the highest degree is 3, the equation polynomial equation becomes the cubic equation. So general form of cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, and a must not equal to 0. This is the cubic equation, general form of cubic equation. And the last one, the highest degree is 4. The polynomial equation become the biquadratic equation. Biquadratic equation. So the general form of the biquadratic equation is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0, and a must not equal to 0. This is the general form of the biquadratic equation. So these are the types of the polynomial equation. So types of the polynomial equation is based upon the highest degree only. So let us write down some examples related to this. Examples related to first one, linear equation. So what is the condition for linear equation? Highest degree is 1. So in place of x write down 2 sum x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here highest degree is 1. So this is the linear equation example. And coming to next one, quadratic equation. Write down one example for the quadratic equation. 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So write down the example for the cubic equation. Cubic means highest degree is 3. So 4x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation for the cubic equation. And the biquadratic equation. In the biquadratic equation, 4x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus x plus something constant 1 is equal to 0, or plus or minus, write down any number. No. So this is the example for the biquadratic equations. So this is the simple discussion about the polynomial equations and types of polynomial equations and how to write the examples for that. Thank you.